Today class Python string Python strings. First, what is strings? Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks, single quotation marks, or double quotation marks. We are denoted with single quotation marks or double quotation marks. So this is called strings. I will show you example. First, open single quotations. Inside the single quotations, write hello. This is the string. Hello is the same as double quotation also. Hello. This is a string. You can display a string literal with the using print function. So I will show you example. Print function display purpose. You can use print function display purpose. Inside the print function, open single quotes, single quotation, hello. Now let's type enter. Output will coming or not coming. Same thing. Similarly, print of open parenthesis double quotations hello, enter, hello. Output is hello. So this is string. Real time write print of single quotations hello. I am writing ideally integrated development and learning environment. So small programs are writing in ideally tool.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.